Hey guys, I promise you this is going to be the best, quickest, and easiest video on the internet on how to install Android APKs and apps from Play Store or NAV files in the computer. So first in the search bar type features and click on turn Windows features on or off. And now from here, please make sure you select the virtual machine platform, then Windows Hypervisor platform, and the Windows PowerShell 2.0 already selected, so you don't need to check it, and Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once these four items are checked, now click on OK. And the installation is complete. Now please make sure you click on Instruct Now. This is very crucial. And once this is installed, though, go to Settings, go to System, and now from here, please select for developers and turn on the development mode. Click on Yes. Okay. Now you need to search PowerShell in the search bar. Please make sure you don't select the Power Automate over it. Right click on the Windows PowerShell Run as Administrator. Now you need to paste a script. I will provide a script in the description box, don't worry. So select this portion only and then copy and paste it by Ctrl+V and hit enter. Now you need to type A4, yes to all. Now hit enter. Okay. Now you need to copy the entire command and paste it on the player PowerShell and hit enter. Once this is done, our configuration is complete. Now we need to download the WSIP. So for that, go to your browser and type WSIP builds. And here, click on the first link. And now scroll down. From the right side of your desktop, click on Release. And this is for ARM-based PC. So most of us are using x64-based PC. So we'll scroll down until we find it. You can see this is x64 operating system. Over now, click on this. Once you click on it, though, you will be redirected to another page. Scroll down, and from here, under Assets, you can see there are a lot of links. So click on the first link and click on Start Download. Once the download continues, you need to download another 7G for Windows applications for extracting the zip files. So you can just go to the official website and download the exe file and double click to install. Okay, the last application that we need to install is WSIP Pacman, and this Pacman helps to install APK files if the apps are not available on the Play Store. So click on the first GitHub link, and similarly go to the right side and go to the releases. And this is the latest version 1.540. So under Assets, click on the installer.exe and download it. I have already downloaded, so I will not download it again. Now you can see there are two files downloaded. The first file is in zip format, so I need to extract it. So I will go to 7zip and extract these files. Once the extraction is complete, now let us go to the extracted folder. Here we need to find install.ps1 file. If you can't find it, please make sure you sort by name. So let us sort by name over here. And if you still can't find it, you can see I can find install.ps1. If you still can't find it, go to View section and then Show. And please make sure file name extensions and hidden items both are checked. If one of these items are not checked, then you may not find the install.ps1 file. So please make sure both are checked. And now right-click on install.ps1 and run with PowerShell. Once we're done with PowerShell, now you can see an installation will proceed automatically. So we need to wait for it. So I have already installed it, so I don't need to do anything over here. But for the first time, you need to continue and install it. It will take 5 to 10 minutes, so please be patient. Once this is complete, now you can go to Apps section. You can see Play Store is already available. Now you need to go to Advanced Settings and turn on the developer mode for installing WSIP Pacman. WSIP Pacman is the application that helps us to install .apk files. So just double click on the exe file and click on Next, 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 and install. We can finish. Now we are ready. In the search bar, type Windows Subsystem and click on this here and go to Apps, then Play Store. Open it from the three dot and sign in with the email ID and password. Now you can install any application from this tester. So now if you think that you are not getting a particular application in the Play Store, so you can install it by .fak files. Such download the FAK file from the website or any other sources. And once you get the FAK file, you just need to double click on the FAK file to run it. So just click on the install button. For the first time, I think, yes, there is a pop-up. Just click on it and please make sure you tick this checkbox and then click on allow. For the first time, once you allow it, click on install, and within a fraction of seconds, it will get installed in your system. Then now click on create a desktop shortcut and click on open app. Now, as you can see, this is as expected, working perfectly fine. Now close everything. You can see the desktop shortcut that you have already created. Now, this is working perfectly fine. Even search in the search bar, Play Store, and you can access Play Store from here also. You can also search any application in the search bar. So, this is the complete video. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.